Evening everyone. Great evening Ma'am Santillan. My name is Rex Jendi Maridomo from the College of Education, taking off Bachelor of Technology in and Livelihood Education, major in Agri-Fishery Arts at State University of Northern Negros. So tonight, as a part of our requirements and purpose of communication, I need someone to translate 25 Hiligaynon phrases I provided into their own language or dialect. To make this happen, here's my friend who's good in speaking in Ilocano. Let her to introduce herself. Go.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Janzef M. Hilario, and currently studying Hotel and Cruise Services at the Premier Arts of Academy. And I live in Pidig, Ilocos Norte. And the language I'm using is Ilocano.
As I've said earlier, I provided 25 Hiligaynon phrases. Are you ready to translate Hiligaynon?
Yes, I am.
Okay, let's go. So, here's my top 25 Hiligaynon phrases. My first Hiligaynon phrases is kumusta ka? How did you translate kumusta ka in your own dialect?
It just simply says, kamusta ka?
Kamusta ka? Okay, thank you. How about salamat gid?
Agyaman na.
Wow. How about this number 3? Ano ngalan mo?
Anatnagan mo?
Thank you. Number 4, maayo gid?
Nalaing.
This number 5, ano ginapanumdum mo?
Anat panunutem.
Number 6, pila edad mo?
Mano ititawen mon.
Yeah. Number 7, lakat na ta?
Intayon.
Number 8, ari ka di?
Kaya't ko kumanga ada ka ditoy.
Oh, how about this number 9? Daw kapoy ko.
Mariknak itit panakabannog ko.
This number 10. Ganahan ka maglaag.
Kaya't mo agpasyar.
Oh. Number 11. Palihog ko.
Maidawat.
How about this number 12? Paghulat lang.
Aguray kalaeng.
This number 13. Malakat ko anay.
Inakarod pay.
Number 14. Gusto ko magkaon.
Kaya't mo kaditi mangan.
This number 15. May hambal ka?
Ada ka di kayat mo nga ibaga?
Number 6. Ari ko sa balay. Number 16, sorry.
Ada mo balangyen.
Number 17. Padayon lang ta.
Itong tuloy tayo lata.
Number 18 is wala gid ko mahimo.
Nabannog na unayen.
Number 19. Buli na ko.
Agawid na kon. Or in the other term for polite version is agawid na ngarod pay.
Thank you. Number 20 is nalipay ko.
Maragsakan na.
Okay. Number 21. Ginhulat gid ta ka.
Di ka masaktan.
Number 22. Paghalong dira.
Agur-uray na ken ka.
Nice. Number 23. Abi ko ikaw.
Taamoket si ka.
Number 25. Ano ginahulat mo?
Anangarod pa iti ur-urayen.
Number 25 last is palangga ta ikaw.
Ay ayaten ka.
Thank you so much for your participation.
Okay ba yun? Pwede na po. Pwede mo po.
Okay na. Bye-bye.
Sige.
Thank you.
Sige.
Yes.